Same to you.
No surprise Clarabelle's selling her banana bread today.
That's what makes her happy. And the pop-up salon is what makes me happy.
No one wants any more banana bread? Well, then it's time for me to go away.
You're going away, Clarabelle?
Wow! This thing's sure
Yep,
fast!
on vacation. I know I'm making a big move, but it's something I have to do.
I'll miss you and your banana bread so very much, Clarabelle.
Oh, Clarabelle's leaving? Oh, happy doodles! I love it!
Oh, dear.
Hi, Mrs. Spiegelman. Ready to have your hair styled?
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not feeling very happy after what I just heard. No one wants any more of Clarabelle's banana bread.
What?
So she's making a big move and going away.
Clarabelle's moving away because no one wants to buy her banana bread anymore?
But her banana bread is the best.
Toodaloo, everyone. Goodbye. Oh, I'll miss you. Time for me to go home and pack. Oh, I can't wait to go on my vacation.
Desperate doodles. She is moving away. We can't celebrate What Makes You Happy Day because nobody's going to be happy if Clarabelle moves away.
You're right, Daisy. We have to help our friend.
I bet if we go around town collecting orders for Clarabelle's banana bread, she won't have to move.
Great idea, Daisy. Let's split up so we can collect even more orders.
And I'll help too.
Let's go.
Yippee! Ah! Whoa! Hello! Don't worry, Mr. Groundskeeper. I know just where to get it fixed up.
Happy helpers are on the way. We're on the job, 'cause today we're helping our friend Clarabelle get lots of banana bread orders.
The song needs help too, but that will have to wait.
Good luck with those orders, Minnie.
Thank you. We should look for a crowd. The more orders we get, the better. Just thinking about Clarabelle's banana bread is making me hungry.
That's goody good news. We just got our first order. One for the happy helpers.
Oh, look! Hungry little slug is at 2 o'clock.
Stay right